so charming about this recipe is that in France, French toast is called pain perdu, which translates to lost bread. For this recipe, you will need a loaf of sourdough bread, cut roughly into 8 pieces. In a separate bowl, crack 4 large organic eggs. Add a quarter of a cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence, and a dash of soy milk. Whisk all the ingredients together until they are well combined. Individually, soak the pieces of bread in the egg mixture, stacking the pieces on top of one another to ensure they absorb the liquid. Over a medium heat, preheat a frying pan with a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Place the bread in the pan and cook on both sides for roughly 2 minutes until the toasts are a golden brown. To serve the French toast, top each serving with whipped cream, natural yogurt or ice cream. Plenty of berries. And of course, a hearty drizzle of maple syrup. Bon appétit!